Mosaic Choice, where you can win the magic. If we get magic cards, we will randomise. But in the interests of time, if we don't get any, we don't need to. Mosaic Choice, good luck to you all. 17194. We have a Zach Levine for the Bulls. Silver. Robert Williams, the third Mosaic for the Celtics. I like gold. Dalen Terry, I'm assuming that's gold. But it might not be. No, it's 31 of 88. Corey Kispert, but you know that I'd rather kiss Ernie. I'm assuming that's number 288. It is. Dorian Finney-Smith for the Nets. Looks a little bit like Kevin Durant in that photo, but it's not. Rod Strickland for the Blazers auto. For the Blazers, Rod Strickland, not numbered? Okay. Green, Alondes Williams. Also for the Nets. And an Ochai Agbaji for the Jazz. That was a rough box. Like, real rough.